In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create a PDF embed in Squarespace. Whether you're showcasing a portfolio, a brochure, or any other PDF document, this process will help you seamlessly integrate your content into your Squarespace website. First, let's head over to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly tool that makes designing a breeze, so even if you're new to it, you'll find it easy to navigate. Once you're on the home page, locate your PDF template design. Clicking on your PDF template will open it up, allowing you to access its features for editing and sharing. Now that you have your design opened, direct your attention to the upper right corner and click on the Share button. This option is crucial as it gives you various ways to distribute your content, such as through a link or an embed code. Once you click Share, you'll see 3 dots or an ellipsis. These dots often house additional options, so click on them to reveal more. Among the options that appear, look for and select Embed. This action will generate an HTML embed code specifically for your PDF. Think of embed code as a bridge that allows you to display Canva designs directly on your website. After clicking on Embed, you'll see an option to Copy. Make sure to click on that so you have the embed code saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need. We're now moving over to Squarespace. Head to your Squarespace page manager. Whether you're updating an existing page or creating a new one, the process remains the same. Look for the option to Add Block. In Squarespace, a block is a section of content you add to your page, and this is where your PDF will reside. From the Blocks menu, select Embed. This choice will give you a placeholder for entering custom code. Click on Edit next to the Embed block, revealing more detailed settings. Within these settings, you'll choose Code Snippet. This will be the space where your embed code goes. Click on Embed Data to open the editor. Here's where you need the embed code you copied earlier from Canva. Simply paste that code into the provided space. Once you've pasted your code, your Canva PDF will be ready to display as an embedded document right on your Squarespace site. The final step is to click Save, ensuring all your changes are stored and the embed is active. And there you have it, a detailed way to embed a Canva PDF onto your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process that enhances your website's functionality while keeping everything visually appealing. Hopefully, this guide has demystified the process for you, making it easy to leverage these powerful tools for your web presence.